Hi, today I'm going to show you the unboxing and co-review and pros and cons about the latest mobile of Spice, which has been launched in India a few days ago in Delhi. So this mobile name is and the mobile's name is Spice Android One Dream Uno MI498. So I'll be unboxing it in front of you, and then I'll be specifying its specs, and then I'll be telling it about its pros and cons, because I have been using this mobile for more than a month. So to start with, this is the box. This is the box which you can see. The brand Spice Dream Uno has been made by India, and the updates and other apps have been directly been installed by Google, and it will be supported by Google for a very long time. This is one of the pros which I'm specifying it now itself. I'll be telling about it in a very deep manner, everything about this mobile unboxing. So this is the box that when you buy it, you will be getting it in this manner. So the things which you need to keep in mind is the things which are being present inside the box. Initially you will have the mobile set. The battery will be a different. The mobile set is known to have two containing two micro sims and one memory card. So as you can see, this set is pretty handy. So the mobile is same. It's very handy mobile. It is having only 4.5 inches screen, so it's not that is only, but it's very handy and you can hold it and keep it, unlike very big screen mobiles which are very difficult to carry. So after unboxing, you will have a mobile like this. So this is an Spice Android One with flip cover, as you can see. So this mobile has been recently launched by Google and India together by Spice. So I'll be telling you about the specs of this mobile. As you can see at the back of the box also, you are having it, the specs are written. So the specs are, first to get these, this is the first mobile which has been produced by or we have been supported by Google. So you'll be getting the Android latest updates, which will be the first to get it on this mobile. Second thing is the operating system, which is Android 4.4.4 KitKat OS. As you can see, if I go here, go to settings, and then go to about phone, you can see that the Android version is 4.4.4, which is Android KitKat's latest version. So the display is pretty well. There is the feature of auto adjustment of brightness. The display is IPS, and it is having a quad-core processor of 1.3 GHz. The connectivity is as usual. You can find Wi-Fi, HSP, Bluetooth. As you can see, see that the Wi-Fi is also connected right now. Now the dual SIM, both the SIMs are supporting 3G, so it's a very good thing. Very few of the camera mobiles nowadays are supporting dual cameras, or dual mobiles are supporting 3G on both the SIMs nowadays. So the camera is 5 megapixel AF and 2 megapixel is the front camera. The 5 megapixel the camera is pretty good. I'll be showing you by taking few clicks here. See, this is the, so you can see now a few photos which I have taken recently. You can see that these photos have been taken by this camera, and it's pretty well. So this is the back camera, and the front camera is also pretty good for taking there is also a support of the flash, so it's pretty good to take photos in the dark. So this is the front camera. It's also pretty good for taking selfies. Okay, so this is all about the camera. Now another thing is the memory. Memory is the 4 GB ROM, out of which 2.27 GB will be available for you to install your apps and other things. 1 GB RAM, which is almost enough for playing RPG games and puzzle games and etc. You can install many apps and run it without hanging, and it works like a charm. The sensors, there are gyro sensors, magnetic, light and proximity sensors, which are available with most of the other mobiles nowadays. Now the battery is a pretty low. It's not that low even. So 1700 mAh lithium polymer battery, which is good, and if you charge it once completely, more than 2 days you can use it. As standby will be more than 3 days, and if you talk and play games on it, you can use it for more than 1.5 days. So this is all about the specs of this mobile. Now pros is that in comparison to other mobiles like Carbon and Micromax, this mobile is having a language support of many different languages, Indian languages, and it is also having a accessory availability of a flip cover, which is not available on Flipkart with other devices which are having same price almost. Now on call assistance and brand servicing of 30 days, and the most important thing is that Google is providing it with latest updates which you will be getting on this mobile. And the best and the most important thing is the price. Its price is just 6299, which is in a budget to have a very good mobile like this. So these are the pros. Now about cons, there are few cons of this mobile too. Now after buying it, after few days just the Play Store was unable to install any more apps. It was giving an error of 498, which is a bug for Google, and it hasn't been resolved yet. So I don't know whether it will be resolved in near future or not. But this is one of the cons for installing apps. I had to install Mobogeny and other app installing softwares or apps inside it. And the other one of the con is the camera problem. Camera problem means not that the camera is bad, but if you don't install a memory card on this mobile, then you won't be able to take any photos. This is one of the cons. So, and this is all of it, the cons. I don't think so any more cons have. They have been, it's quick, it's good, and I have been using it like charm. So you can see that you have got calendar, you have got calculator, camera, you have got clock, downloads, Facebook, Flipkart. If you buy it from Flipkart, you are going to get one ebooks free worth 1000 rupees. Now you can see your mails and do other all Android app activities on this mobile. And the phone, the talking clear on phone is clarity is even better. And you can play RPG games on it without hanging. So see, I've installed few games too. You can watch videos. The video quality is supported by this mobile is also pretty good till 720p. The quality is pretty good, and you can see just on this mobile. So this mobile is pretty handy, very good to use, and I have been using it for more than 1 month, and I'm satisfied with it. It was in budget and it's pretty good. So in conclusion, I would be saying that go for this mobile. This is since India's made, and you'll be loving this mobile. Thank you, and like and share so that whenever I put my next review or unboxing of a new mobile, you can take a look at that. Thank you.